has a cable. I don't know if they have a place that we could check.
Good morning. We are here bright and early at the Goodwill Bins in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We decided to come here because there's more parking.
And today's our day off.
Hopefully we can find good shit.
The parking lot's packed.
There you go. Thank you. I was gonna check the back row first. Check the back row first, and then I want to check out the shelves and stuff. Clean that up, that'll be good. Many years, for sure. Ka-chow! Cars. Right.
Speed up. Anything that matters? Alright.
I want to go check the shelves.
Oh, in the corner?
Yeah.
It's all about if it works or not.
That's if it works.
Yeah, of course.
Alright, quick pause here. I did want to tell you guys that while I was editing this video, the Microscope actually sold. So this comp you see here right now is our comp. Alright, back to the video.
It's crazy. It has a cable. I don't know if they have a place that we could check.
Fraying in the cable. It's just tape. Plug still looks good.
Yeah, that could be good. I mean, it's a high amount up front, but
Alright, so hang on to it.
yeah, you want to put it in your bag? Or you rather?
Yeah, I'd rather hold it in my hand because then it'll just start weighing down my shoulder. Soft. Posters. Who knows? But like,
Oh, cool. Yeah, those are great.
that's Sonic. That one's Spy Family.
Wow,
That one's Harry Potter, the Hogwarts house.
that's great. Are there
This was
more
cool.
of those? Oh, there's more.
Yeah. Oh, just put it everything.
And how much for this? Is 20? 20.
That's fine.
Wow.
Oh,
Worth it after.
yeah. Okay, thank you.
5 libras y $20. Okay?
Bye. Hello, good morning. Good. Good. Huh?
Is Barbara here today?
No, she's out for this week.
We now have more offices, more staff, and more lawyers than any other injury firm
Backpack.
in the world protecting America.
I'm looking for
For an office near you.
General Manager
It's
Miguel
just for
Otero
the
from Durrell
video.
Lincoln.
So the question I get asked very
all of
frequently
these
is how are you on inventory?
Financing options will give you some of the best rates possible on the new Kia of your dreams. Our state-of-the-art service center will keep your new Kia in top condition, and we believe in giving back to our community. Stop in today and experience the difference at Durrell Kia. When it comes to Kia, the great deals are at Durrell Kia and DurrellKia.com.
Want more? Sure you do. More friends, a little more time, a few more laughs. More is a good thing.
Okay, look, I need your opinion on this. Okay, this one, there's one listed for 25 here. Everything else is, that's like that is 60 plus from Japan.
You're
That's
looking for
listed,
this
yes. Yes. And there is one comp 60 from Japan, but that's brand new.
Yeah, he's not brand new.
No,
So maybe not. What do you think?
it would have no sell-through.
Okay, so no.
Hmm?
There's a lizard in here.
Word.
Over there. See him?
Yep.
Were the other ones looking at
I was gonna ask you.
Two look. It's not under $1, but they're nicer. Cool, right?
Yeah. I'll put with these up. That was 3.
Speaking to.
No. Right. Everything.
$16.05.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a great day. I mean, we can head back to the bins.
Alright. If it dies, it dies.
Yep. All right.
We did what we can. Alright.
Yeah, we'll put this in here. Look.
Oh, nice. That's vintage.
Cool.
Dartboard
Nice.
with this one back. And I found the Baggalini.
Cool.
It's cute.
No tears or anything? No, looks nice.
It looks nice.
Yeah. I mean, if you find...
Yeah, I've been looking for matching shoes all day. Haven't had luck today.
Yeah, I looked through here, but...
Nice scrub them. What's that pink bag? Okay. I found this, but I wasn't sure.
Yeah.
Silver Canyon, made in USA.
Yeah, we can always look it up.
It looks cool.
Just because it says Barbie on it. We'll take it.
Fuck no. Good for life.
Oh, I Spy Christmas. Oh, Ninja Turtles.
Yeah, it's stuck on something. What do you think? Worth it? Could be.
I mean, Ninja Turtles is usually worth it. 2014 Viacom. Yeah, let's get out of here. Hard. 4 pounds. Yeah. Gracias. Architecture.
15 for it. It's only worth like $30. Hi.
Hello.
So 2 bins hauls. They have like a little lunch break in between them at this one. So we went to St. Vincent de Paul. That's like 5 minutes down the street.
Yeah, it wasn't far.
Found a couple of things there and came back and looked the bins again. Found some cool stuff today. I was really happy about finding the Baggalini.
If that microscope works, we gotta go home and test it.
That's $15.
I'll update here in the video now if it works. So for $20, it can go up to $150 if it works.
Yeah,
so
it's a good one.
Fingers crossed on that one. Well, thanks for joining us today on our bins video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know how we did. Comment something that you saw that we should have picked up. That way we know, and hopefully you learned something today too.
See you in the next one.
See you next week.